I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
It's been a long, cold winter. We didn't get to go to the beach, so we're trying to build one in the house. It's going to be better than being in a snowstorm.
I'm really happy with the beach project so far. We seem to be kind of rolling along.
Murals are looking pretty good. We've got the seating figured out, and now we've got this ice box and the door to nowhere.
We've got lots of work to do before we can actually relax on the beach. So right now we're just framing out the roof line of the cabana. We essentially ripped a whole bunch of pine. Those are going to be the roof rafters, and we're just going to connect them from one end to the other, have a nice little slope roof.
We're really flying on this now. We don't have to worry about any load on this thing or anything, so it's just kind of tacking it all together.
So what do you want to do with this albatross?
Maybe we should just lose it.
Yeah, so right now we're just taking out this old exhaust pipe. It's kind of in our way. It'd be easier just to cut it.
The bench is going to fit a lot better with the pipe gone, so now the pipe's gone. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, it's the sky.
There's a hole in our roof like that big. And we've also got a little hole in our floor now, so.
Okay, so we'll go maybe start there. So I had to fight for the thatch roof, and I'm really glad I did, because it's the roof of the cabana that really gives it that enclosed, warm, down south, tropical kind of feel.
Got our palm fronds up on top of the roof, and the room looks beachy now. We've got a hole in this roof just like our real roof.
Hey, that's the good thing about having this roof here.
Totally, we just fixed that problem. It was great to actually pop the door open for the beach. You could just feel the wave of heat roll out.
So we tried to make this beach feel as authentic as possible. We had lots of different beverages on hand.
The beer fridge worked really well. Nice cold cervezas coming out of the fridge with limes and stuff like that. Hey man, baby, do you want a beer? The drink component really came together well. We made a little table, kind of put a blender between us. Had some great drinks.
The amazing thing about this is we don't have to go away on vacation to get this. It can be an hour here, an hour there, hang out for a couple hours at the beach.
No matter what, we're warm. It's cold out there, it's warm in here, man.